Good morning, I'm Bryce Kirkpatrick. I'm the turf manager here at Real Turf Solutions, and I kind of want to go over y'all with some key factors. I know some of y'all are seeing that Bermudas and the zoysias are kind of still showing those patchy kind of brown areas that seems like it's not quite greening up like it typically does this time of year, especially with it being already the 1st of June. I know we got an email from University of Georgia, and they've done some research down in Griffin, or up in Griffin, excuse me, and they've found some factors that have kind of maybe causing these issues. One of the factors is last year around the fall time of the year, the weather was kind of excessively warm and we kind of didn't have a lot of rainfall, and so it's affecting more of those yards that are non-irrigated than the ones that are probably irrigated. So if you have one of those yards that's not got irrigation, that could be the reason why you're seeing that. They've also kind of come out and said that this year's kind of late winter rainfall that we got, all that excessive rain, is kind of another factor too, because the water actually can cause a buffer, which kind of what that basically does is that makes it harder for the sun to actually warm the soil to that temperature that we're looking for that green up. They've also kind of said that this year they've done some soil tests, 4-inch depth. This year it was significantly a lot lower than it was last year this time, about 5.6 degrees actually lower than normal. And then of course also the air temperature has been very strange this year as well. We were about 8 degrees below this time last year as well. So there's just some key things out there to look for if you have a Bermuda or a zoysia yard and you kind of keep it kind of mowed kind of high, which is, I know everybody wants that thick yard, but right now they do recommend that you probably take that height down, because the recommended height for Bermuda and zoysia is about 1 to 2 inches. So if you can go ahead and take care of those, that would probably help this sun warm those temperatures up, get those temperatures in the soil where they should be, to kind of help green up that zoysia and fill in those areas that you're seeing out there. But those are just some of the key factors that they've sent out to us that we just wanted to pass along to you guys, so that way, I know I've been getting a lot of questions of why does my grass look kind of somewhat half alive, half dead, and I just want to pass it along and let y'all know what's going on. But we sure appreciate y'all, and thank you.